Alright guys, so I don't want to make this too long because I've already recorded this once and I'm having issues right now, so let's just start this over. So I'm going to make this a quicker tour. If you want something more in depth, let me know, but this is my office slash craft room. Also, I am very sorry if you can hear my washer. It is right next door. I have the door shut, but yeah, let's just show my gallery wall here. I do have some stock photos up here from Adobe Stock, which would be this moon phases and then this gorgeous owl up here. And then this is my own illustration, and so is this one. We have sticky contact paper. The grids are from Five Below. I believe this little shadow box here that has my necklaces hanging in it is from Michael's or Joann's. Little crystal shelf, and my mom got me that guy for Christmas. We have images on here. It's from Ocean City. No clue when that is. Necklaces, stickers. Yeah. So that's actually a fake plant. But this is my bookshelf that I actually have space to put stuff on top. So I have my record player up there. And then just records. We have Bush and Islander. There's Hosier in here and Gorillas. Yeah. Then here is kind of miscellaneous, kind of organized stuff like gift bags and tags and baggies and tissue paper. Boxes and tins down here. Over here we have stuff I want to give away, stuff for my wedding and project life stuff. Then we have books here. Those bottom two bins are miscellaneous home stuff. And then we have my bookshelves. These are the Billy bookshelves. I have the extender extra bookshelf on top, which you can see there from that little ledge. Like little, you know what I mean. And here they are. Like contemporary and sci-fi. We have a Nova. Usually my pillow's on there, but they like to lay on there too. Oh, you're being so pretty for the camera. Novi. Talk. Talk to him. You're gonna fall. So obviously those books got pushed back from her, but here's more books. And we have like sci-fi. That's my Immortal, I should say Shadowhunter's World kind of books. Then we have a lot of fantasy. The floor section over here looks kind of messy. It's like my camera, old, like, what they call, like drawing pads and pictures and stuff. That has camera equipment in it. Then we have like scrapbooks over here. My printer's up here. This is all my makeup kind of stuff. We have some crystals on this little shelf. Then this is like the, I guess, like art supply kind of section. Pens and markers, colored pencils. This is my makeup palettes I use a lot, which these are actually all Morphe. Two of the Jaclyn Hill palettes. Or no, I'm sorry, just one Jaclyn Hill palette is here. And then I have my Fierce by Nature one that I love, and then two other ones. I keep my makeup brushes there. I even have paint brushes back there. My mirror, obviously. And then I have my window, which basically just sees out into like the back of the other houses. And then my computer is like kind of in the middle of the room, not completely pushed to this wall, but I have a 2-screen. Hopefully this video actually works out. I'm not sure if it will. If it does work out, you might see that first, or you might see the video I'm currently recording, and then you might see that next. We'll see. This is my desk. It's the HP Z1 all-in-one desktop. Looks a little messy up here because I have been working on that video, but we have some poetry books here. This is like for like bills and stuff to remember. It's actually a really pretty book. like a little planner, I guess. I have like a little YouTube book I made. That's just one of my lenses sitting there. Yeah, I have Galaxy because obviously I like that kind of stuff. It kind of matches that too. And the desk is just from Walmart. It's has these two little cubbies, I guess. And then that little stand holds my other desktop. My Moon is charging, but you have this little sorry if you can't really see that very well. But it's like a little, just a few random drawers and stuff. And then up here I just have some books in here. We have a cat corner. It's not the neatest, sorry. You're gonna see cat litter. And then this is an old tablecloth on the wall. We no longer have a dining room table. And then we have more necklaces draped here, like older necklaces. I have a mirror there. And then this last wall is majority of my crafty kind of stuff. So up here I have a degree in multimedia design and development. It's a Bachelor of Science. Shadow box, my little Aria's Ashes, and an Alice in Wonderland little section plus a little ring holder. This is like witchy books, and this cool thing my brother-in-law and sister got me for Christmas. House of Night books. And then we have random stuff. So we have tools. I'll show you inside some of these. Fabric, unfinished breakables, a ton of ribbon. I have glues and adhesives. So I kept these for glue and then paints. That way if anything leaks. We have clay and sewing, which is quite full. So this is basically my way of keeping a lot of stuff organized. You can get these little label things from Target. Yeah, I'm sure you can probably find them other places too, but this space between these two doors, which is my closet and the door to the office, as you can probably see, it's only maybe 4 or 5 more inches wider than a door, so it's not a lot of space. I still have my light switch accessible. And then I just did 2 units on top of each other to kind of maximize the space and allow me to have, what is that, 6, 12, 13, you have 15 bins. And if I need to, I can have 3 more, making 18 more spaces. And then I still have room over here to, if I needed to have more space, especially considering these aren't very full. I mean, that one's kind of full, but you get my point. Things could be made smaller to kind of fit even more craft stuff. Oh yeah, behind my door here is like a little map. So me and my husband like to travel, so we want to scratch off all the places that we have stayed, not just passed through. So stayed, or I guess done something special there, we'll scratch it off. But yeah, that is my office. Alright, that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. And thumbs up for Nova. Nova. You're such a talker. Yeah.